The Crown and the People. In a land called England, kings and queens once held great power. They lived in big castles and made all the rules. The king was the most powerful person, but he had to be careful. If he was not a good king, the strong landowners, called barons, would be unhappy. One day, a king made too many rules that were not fair. The barons said, "This is not right." They decided to talk to the king. The barons made the king sign a special paper. This paper was called the Magna Carta. It said that the king had to be fair to everyone. The Magna Carta was very important. It said that even the king had to follow the rules. It was a big step for the people of England. As time went on, the people wanted to have more say in the rules. They started to have meetings called parliaments. The king had to share his power with the parliament. This was a new way of making rules for the country. One king did not want to share his power. He tried to rule all by himself. This made the people in Parliament very angry. There was a big fight, a civil war. In the end, the Parliament won. The king had to agree that Parliament was very important. Today, England still has a queen, but she does not make the rules. The people in Parliament, who are chosen by the people, make the laws for the country.